Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your market research with Statista detailed guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Statista website. If you don't already have an account, create one by clicking on the register button. Fill out the required fields to set up your profile. Once registered, log in to your account. Begin your research by entering keywords relevant to your topic in the search bar. Review the search results for reports, statistics, and infographics. Use the filters available to narrow down your search by date, region, and industry. Select a report that aligns with your research needs. Open the report to examine its contents, which may include graphs, tables, and insights. Take note of the sources cited in the report for further validation. If you need specific data points, use the download feature to access the information in Excel or PDF format. Explore the categories section to discover industry-specific data. Utilize the Statista dossier feature for comprehensive insights on a particular subject. Pay attention to trending topics and related statistics found within the platform. Bookmark relevant reports for easy access in the future. If you require citation assistance, use the provided citation tools. For advanced users, consider using Statista's API for direct data integration into your own applications. Regularly check Statista for updates and new reports to keep your research current. Finally, incorporate the findings from Statista into your market research projects for informed decision-making. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.